So good afternoon, everyone. ICT coordinators from schools. My name is Vincent Giantoco, and I will be heading the presentation of the system. So to navigate to the system, let me share my screen first. So to navigate, I'll go to the official website of the DepEd Leyte, which is depedleytedivision.com, and head to the project messages and find the ICTU email request system. So this is the login interface. Para po sa mga users, dito po sila magla-login. Sa top right, merong sign in via DepEd email. So pag i-click po ito, you will be prompted anong email gagamitin. So yung tatanggapin na po is DepEd email. So make sure DepEd email yung gamitin pag login kasi pag hindi po siya tatanggapin ng system. So sa dashboard, ito po yung makikita. Total request, pending, processing, completed. And before you can submit request, kailangan po muna i-update yung profile dito sa profile tab. So sa gilid merong dashboard. Ito yung parang summary. Summary ng lahat ng mga request. Sa my request dito ka po magre-request. We accept email creation, reset password, remove authentication, and unsuspend account. And dito naman sa Microsoft, ito po yung magfa-follow up after 2 weeks kasi we're informing upon creation na 2 weeks prior to the creation, making active yung DepEd 365 account. And dito naman sa frequently asked question, meron po ditong AI mini chatbot na pwede pong gamitin kung may mga queries kayo like ano yung mga requirements. And meron po siya mga predefined question na it will answer directly. May mga predefined question answers to these questions. And may notification din also. For example, if you submit a request and ma-check siya ng creator or ng admin dito sa ICT, dito sa division office, you will be prompted yung status. And as I have mentioned earlier, baka po kayo magka-problem ng hindi kayo makag-request. Isa po yung reason doon is 'pag di po updated yung profile niyo. For example, yung name, yung may mga asterisk po required like designation, school ID, contact number, school name, district, and what area. So, make sure po i-update niyo po yung profile before you can submit any request. And dito po sa my request, we'll focus on this request tab. Meron po dito yung form. Formerly ICT Form 7 and 8, which is now named SDO Leyte OSDS Form 001 as mandated by the QMS. So, ito po yung form na isa sa mga requirements na hinihingi namin, which is if you have submitted already the PDM creation, you're familiar with this. So, new request, meron ditong email creation. Ito po yung mga wala pang email creation, mga newly hired, and wala po pong email, DepEd email. For reset password naman, ito po yung mga nakalimutan yung password or yung mga account is kailangan may sinasabing contact admin kasi pag di po kasi na-open yung DepEd email account, may tendency po yan na kahit tama yung password, hindi na po siya na-open. So, it needs resetting lang. Sa remove authenticator naman, usually ito pag naglalagay ka ng multi-factor authenticator and yung mobile number na ginagamit is either you have no access on it and or nawala yung number. Kaya di mo na ma-access. Unsuspend account is dito naman yung mga account na na-flag na may mga may suspicious activities na ginagawa. So, kailangan unsuspend. We have different request for it. So, itong apat po yung mainly ni-request namin. So, for example, I will submit an email creation. Maproprom po yung mga required documents. For example, appointment, request letter, SDO Leyte o SDS Form 1 which is formerly ICTU 7 and 8 and scan copy of valid ID. And if authorized po, you're required to include also the authorized personnel ID and authorizing that person, a letter authorizing that person or authorization letter. And reset password, it will also give what document. So, yung naiba lang dito is the unsuspend account. Merong ditong incident report. Ito lang yung parang iba sa tatlo na mga request. Meron siyang incident report. So, I will try submitting email creation. By the way, the system accepts picture or PDF documents. So, pag CP po yung ginagamit, pwede pong picturean lang yung form. Basta clear po yung details. For example, I will be submitting this. Request letter and scan copy of ID. For the sake of this demonstration, I will be attaching documents that is not the real. Pero kung kayo na po mag-request, dapat sakto po yung appointment letter, request letter, SDO Leyte form, 001, scan copy of valid ID. And for this instance, di ko muna lagyan ng authorization personnel para po di tayo magtagal. So, submit request. Yan. So, yung latest po, meron po kayong email creation which is tagged as pending. Description is malalagyan po ito if check. Meron po yung check, completed, and it will be, pag na-process na siya, it will be updated pag na-process na siya dito sa division office ng mga ICT staff here dito. Itong system is blanco lang if di pa siya completed. If your request is tagas completed, doon lang po lalabas yung CSM. And mabibigyan po yung mga attached documents and the timeline. So, submitted request when, waiting for check or review. And try natin i-access yung admin if ano po yung exact na mangyayari sa request nyo if it is approved by the admin. So, opening a new tab, I will log in as an admin. I see. So, dito po, sa admin, merong view request. So, ito really, nasusyo ko card. So, meron po ditong yung request na sinubmit ko using my account. So, it is named after me and anong type of request, status. And I can view the files. For example, nag-submit kayo nito. And if complete naman, it will tag as complete tapos mag-notify po yan doon sa account nyo. And we will be strict with these documents because online na siya. So, dapat kung ano po yung hinihingi namin, yun din po sana yung i-submit ninyo. So, if incomplete, you will be emailed na resubmit again. And for complete naman, sa account nyo, mapoprompt kayo. For example, ito may notification. Your request, number 11, which is number 11 dun sa request nyo, has been reviewed and marked complete and will now be processed. So, sa initial assessment of your documents, so, na-accept po siya. So, it is now eligible for DepEd creation or what request you are requesting. And so check. So you can see check na po yung status and try natin i-complete by creating the account. So dito sa admin, so process request, for example, itong request for creation is complete. I-email ko na po kayo anong username yung gagamitin niyo po for that specific request. And the temporary password. So, every request po, pag done na po siya, i-email po kayo. So, either email creation, reset password, at suspend account, or incomplete, may email po kayo niyan sa DepEd email nyo. So, once the admin mark it as done, so may email po kayo niyan. So, i-open ko lang po yung DepEd email ko to check. So, ito po, na number 11 request. So, ito po yung username and password. So, pag Office 365 account, dito maglalagin. Pag Google, dito po. And important reminders. So, lagyan within 2 weeks kasi nag-expire po yung temporary password. So, upon receiving the email, we are requiring to reset the password or change the password within 2 weeks kasi nag-expire po siya. And Microsoft 365 full setup may take 2 weeks to 1 month. So, sa central office po itong side ng 365 creation. So, ito po yung nagte-take ng 2 weeks. Pero the DepEd email creation, Google DepEd can be done. So, do not share your credentials with everyone. Keep this email for your records. Kung may mga query po kayo, pinapakita yung email na to dito sa ICC. And pag natapos na po yung request, ito po maglalagay client satisfactory measurement pending. So meron po kayong isang pending ng CSM. So magwa-warning po siya. So since done na po, kailangan po mag-CSM. Same lang po ito na ginagamit namin dito sa division office. This is nothing new CSM. It only lang dedicated via ICT since we are completing request online lang pero parang same setup lang din. Kung paano yung service namin, kung madali lang ba. So once done, yan. CSM completed. Will patag as CSM completed. And just like that po, it's pretty much the whole process. So once mag-CSM, process is completed. And may mga notification po sa account mismo, sa inyong account ng DepEd email request system, may mga notification din and emails. And view the dashboard, makikita niyo po yung mga recent nyo. Can view all request ng mga pending. So far in this account, wala mo pa mga pending. Andito po sa Microsoft 365 follow-up, for example, meron po kayong DepEd email na nagpasa na po kayo tapos di po kayo na email. So this is the use of one follow-up. You can put the DepEd email tapos kailan po siya na-create. Since 2 weeks po yung 365 creation, so pwede po ito. I-follow up nyo kami kung active na yung DepEd email nyo. And anong date siya na-create. So required din po. And for example, sa so submit follow-up. So meron po ditong another request for follow-up. And same as kanina, magre-reflect din po siya sa admin and itatag lang po niya kung active na o hindi pa. And you will be emailed also if active or not active. So, for example, active na yung email. As an admin, nag-email ko po kayo kung ano yung DepEd email nyo and the temporary password, which is required to change within 2 weeks. So, no pending. Assuming may email po kayo niyan for the status of your account. Ito po. So, the email 5 has been processed and your account is now active. So, same is, if not active and active sa follow-up, i-email po kayo niyan. I think that would be all, and we will now be accepting questions from the audience for clarification. And I think Ma'am Rose has something to say, message.